Welcome to Lexcom's Legal Insight. On 24 December 2025, the Vietnamese government promulgated Decree number 337/2025/NDCP on electronic labor contracts, effective the 1st of January 2026. While it stops short of mandating electronic labor contracts, the practical implications run deeper than they first appear. I'm joined by an employment lawyer today.
Thanks for having me. Decree 337 looks straightforward until you stress test it against day-to-day human resource practice, and that's where things get interesting.
What exactly is an electronic labor contract under this decree?
A labor contract concluded and established in the form of data messages, with the same legal validity as a paper-based written contract. The key concept is data message, defined under the law on electronic transactions as information generated, sent, received, or stored by electronic means. That's very broad.
How broad?
Broad enough to catch arrangements employers never intended to be electronic. Standard practice, sign in wet ink, scan it, email it, file the PDF, could mean that contract is deemed an eContract under a strict reading of Decree 337, regardless of original intent.
So the compliance risk is hidden inside existing workflows.
Exactly. Decree 337 doesn't require you to adopt e-contracts. That remains encouraged, not mandatory. But once a contract is classified as an e-contract, mandatory obligations kick in. Conversion requirements, amendment procedures via data message form, plus filing and reporting. If your current practices inadvertently push a contract into e-contract territory, you've triggered obligations you may not know you have.
What should employers do right now?
Necessarily review labor contract workflows. If contracts are being scanned, emailed, or stored digitally rather than as original hard copies, assess whether that creates unintended e-contract classification.
The bottom line? Decree 337 is not a mandate, but it creates real compliance risk for businesses whose existing practices may already cross the e-contract threshold without them knowing it. Review your labor contract workflows now. Thank you for joining us.
I'm glad to be here today.
For listeners, if you'd like to assess your exposure under Decree 337, reach out to our employment team at Lexcom. And if you found this legal update useful, subscribe to our channel for more on Vietnam's evolving regulatory landscape. We'll see you next time.